Okay, so now we've got this dependent paper out. Okay, now if you look at the top of the page, it gives you a list of how many different color marbles there are in a bag. Okay, so in the box, sorry, box contains 2 red marbles, 3 white marbles, 4 green marbles, and 1 blue marble. And then it says 2 marbles are drawn at random without replacement. Okay, so let's think about this first. Okay, so now first thing we need to do is we need to add up how many marbles there are, and I've already done that. Okay, 2 red plus 3 white plus 4 green plus 1 blue gives us a 10 of 10 total marbles. Now, what is the probability of each one of these things occurring? Well, 2 out of 10 for the red, 3 out of 10 for the white, 4 out of 10 for the blue, 1 out of 10 for the, or 4 out of 10 for the green, 1 out of 10 for the blue. Now, you also see what I have written here. I have independent and I have dependent. Okay, independent means we're starting everything all over again when we will pick a marble. Okay, dependent means the outcome is going to be affected by a previous event. All right, so what does that mean? So think about this. You have all these marbles in the box, and I'm going to pull a marble. I'm going to pick a marble out of the box. Now, the question is, how many marbles are now in the box if I don't put that marble back in? Well, there's 1 less marble in the box, so there's only going to be 9. Okay, so the outcome is going to be of our second marble being pulled is going to depend upon what marble we pulled the first time. Okay, so take a look at the first question. We'll work through it, and I think it'll make more sense once we work through it. Okay, so the first question says find the probability of selecting a green marble on the second draw if the first marble is blue. Okay. Again, the wording, it would be nice if the wording was first marble, then the second marble, but it really doesn't matter. Okay, so if our first marble drawn is blue, okay, so we draw 1. Was a blue marble, okay, which means the probability of that was 1 out of 10. Now, the probability of drawing a green marble on the second draw, or the second time we put our hand in the box and pull out a marble, draw number 2. There are 4 green marbles, but now how many marbles are left in the box? Well, there's 1 less because I didn't put that first blue marble back. So now the probability of getting a green marble is 4 out of 9. Okay? Again, on draw 1, all the marbles were in the box. Started fresh, nothing was taken out. On the second draw, we didn't put that blue marble or whatever marble we drew back in the box. So if you counted the number of marbles in the box, there would only be 9 now. But we didn't draw a green marble, we drew a blue marble. So there's still 4 green marbles in the box. So I'm going to say my probability of drawing a green marble is 4 out of 9. Now, the question is, what is the probability of drawing this green marble? 4 out of 9. Okay? Take a look at the second one. Now, let's leave that up there. Let's erase this. Let's get rid of this dependent. Okay. What is the probability of picking a white marble on the first draw and a red marble on the second draw? Okay? Well, the probability of picking a white marble is going to be what? Draw 1. Again, all the marbles are back in the box. Nothing has changed. We haven't changed anything. Okay? Put everything back, starting fresh. There are 3 white, so there are 10 marbles. The probability of getting a white marble is 3 out of 10. Now I'm only picking 1 marble. Okay? I'm not picking all 3. I'm only picking 1. So this number is still only going to get reduced by 1. Okay? And then the probability of drawing a red marble is 2 out of 9. Because again, there are 2 red marbles, but 1 less marble in the box, which gives us 9 total. So now, what we need to figure out is, what is the total probability of doing this and then this? Okay? So these, again, are dependent. So the probability is going to be these 2 fractions or probabilities multiplied together. So we have 3 out of 10 times 2 out of 9. 6 out of 90. Okay? I know it's a little confusing, okay? But let's forget this part right now. Let's just simply worry about what these 2 probabilities will be. Okay? All right. Take a look at the next question. What is the probability of selecting 2 consecutive red marbles? Okay? Now think about this one. Okay? All the marbles are back in the box. We haven't taken any marbles out. We put them all back, starting fresh. So the probability of drawing a red marble is 2 out of 10. Now again, I did not put that red marble back in the box. So now how many red marbles are in the box? Well, we have 1 out. So this number gets reduced down to 1. And there's 1 less marble total in the box. So that total is 1 out of 9. Okay? So if you're picking the same color, not only is the total number going to go down, but the total number of possible choices gets reduced. Sorry, I need a drink of water. Okay? So let that sink in a little bit. Think about it. This is why I wish we were at school doing this, because doing this hands-on makes a lot more sense. Okay? It's a lot easier to understand. But the truth is, it's really not that super complicated. Okay? Again, if you were to try this at home, you would probably start to understand it a little bit better. Now, let's go to the next one. Probability of selecting a red or white on the first draw. Okay, red and white. So how many total red and whites do we have? We have 5. Okay, so we have 5 total red and whites out of 10. And then a blue marble on the second draw. Again, we're only picking 1 marble. Okay, so this number is 5 because there were red and white marbles. There's 5 total possible chances of picking a red or white marble. So now the chance of picking a blue marble is 1 out of 9. Okay? Okay. And then the last one. Probability of picking a white marble on the first draw and a white or blue marble on the second draw. Okay. So the probability of picking a white marble, all the marbles are back, is 3 out of 10. Now again, we pulled a white marble out of the box, okay? In our hand is a white marble. We're not putting it back in the box, so there's only 9 marbles in there, but there's 1 less white marble. So the next part of the question says a white or blue marble. So now white is now going to get reduced down to 2, and blue is still going to be 1. So we're going to have there are 3 possible white and blue marbles left in the box. So that's going to be 3 out of 9. Okay? All right. We're going to talk about things that will affect the next one as well. Okay? Those are compound events.